Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing a Mi Band 4 unboxing. So before we get started, there's a small surprise for you guys in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And as you can see, this is how the box looks like of Mi Band 4. On the box you can see Mi Band 4, and the highlights on the box is AMOLED color touchscreen, heart rate monitor, waterproof up to 50 meters, and music control. And on the bottom it says India's #1 wearable brand. On the back you will see some information about product name, product model, box contents and specs. On the right side of the box you will see battery information, and on the left side it says Mi Smart Band 4. So let's open up this box. Let's break this seal, and opening up the box you will find Mi Band 4. Here's our Mi Band 4. Let's open this up and take it out. The band feels so premium. This Mi Band 4 has a premium look, and yes, it looks like the display size has increased a bit compared to the previous Mi Band. And here's the cradle for charging the Mi Band 4. And the last thing we have in the box, some paperwork about how to set it up and other details about this Mi Band. And here's the Mi Band 4. So let's pair this band with the Mi Fit app. Go to the Play Store and download the Mi Fit app in order to pair the watch with the phone. And once you install the app and sign in, tap on the plus on the top right corner, tap on band, okay, turn on Bluetooth, and now it will search for Mi Band. It says confirm on the band, okay. So our Mi Band 4 is successfully paired. And this one which I'm using right now is a Redmi K20. And now it's setting up the band. And now this app will guide you the simple things about the band. We also got the update for the Mi Band already, so let's update it first before we move on. Okay, so let me just take off my Apple Watch. Talking about the Mi Band 4, it comes with 0.95 inches AMOLED color display. It has a brightness level up to 400 nits. This watch comes with a Bluetooth version 5.0. On the back it has a 2 pins for the charging and the heart rate sensor. To charge the Mi Band 4, you simply hold one side harder and then pull the band from the other side. And it's out. Now you just have to put the band in the cradle. This watch has a 135 mAh battery and it takes about 2 hours to completely charge the watch. But when it's completely charged, it gives you the battery life up to 20 days, which is great. Okay, so now let's put this band in the cradle and give it a little push so that it will clip perfectly. And once it's done, you just plug this USB to power adapter to charge the Mi Band. And when you open the Mi Fit app, it starts syncing with your Mi Band every time you open the Mi Fit app. And by going in profile, tap the Mi Band 4 and it will show you the battery and the band settings. And by going into the band display settings, you will have hundreds of watch faces that you can use it already, which I really like it. And also turning on unlock screen, and when you're near your watch, it will show you this icon in the notification. So you don't need to enter password or fingerprint to unlock the phone. You can just swipe up and it will automatically unlock the phone. And there's a lot more things you can do. Let's put this Mi Band on my wrist. Swipe down and tap to see more options. We have notification, weather, workout. There's many workout like outdoor running, treadmill, cycling and much more. The heart rate sensor on this Mi Band is pretty accurate, shows you the real-time heartbeat per minute. And status for your steps, distance, calories, that's pretty much it. Go to lift wrist to view info and select one of these. And when you raise your wrist, the Mi Band will wake up. You can easily change the watch faces by selecting one of these watch faces. Tap sync watch face, and it will start downloading the watch face and it will start syncing. And it takes few seconds to sync with your Mi Band 4. And as you can see, the watch face has been changed to the which we selected. I'm giving away this Mi Band 4 to one of you guys. To participate, all you have to do is like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below what's the best thing you like about this Mi Band 4. And I will randomly pick the winner and announce the winner on 7th October on my social media. So make sure you follow me on social media. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.